Hello everyone, today I am going to make a very simple chicken noodle soup restaurant style. In all the restaurants they make very simple but delicious. Let's see how they are going to make it. I am going to show you the exact method how they will make it in the restaurant. First I have added 1 spoon of oil and 1 spoon of clarified butter. Now I am going to caramelize the fennel seeds. Then I am going to add 1 cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 2 cloves. And finally I am going to add one small bay leaves. Okay, then 2 green chilli, a bunch of mint leaves, 5 mint leaves chopped, and one small this size of onion. See the size of the onion, this size of onion I chopped it. I'm going to add the onion. The onion is caramelized. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So I have added 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stay out, it will burst a little. Always use a heavy bottom non-stick cook pan. It's easy to cook. So finally I am going to add 2 tomato puree. On top of the tomato puree, I am adding a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now all the ingredients are perfectly cooked. At this stage I am going to add 100 grams of chopped chicken. And caramelize the chicken along with the curry masalas. And wait for the chicken to be cooked. Just close it and wait for 5 minutes. All the ingredients and the chicken are perfectly cooked. At this stage, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. 2 to 3 cups. If this is this cup, see the cup? If it's this cup, you add 3 cups of water. This cup. So I added 3 cups of water. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. And finally, the secret ingredient is spray some cardamom powder on top of it. This is the secret ingredient. Now I'm going to allow it to boiling point. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and we switch off the soup. The soup is reached its boiling point. At this stage, add some sprinkle of cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. Delicious, and switch off the stove. A delicious chicken soup is ready to serve. A delicious chicken noodle soup is ready to serve. Use the same process and tell me how it tastes. It's a very simple and easy restaurant style chicken soup. It's very good for cough, cold, everything. So it's a very easy method. Try it and enjoy. Thanks for watching.